What type of return of serve should you hit to make your opponent's third shot more difficult? A deep return of serve or a short return of serve? We're going to explore what you can do to make those shots harder on your opponents. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, my name is CJ Johnson, and together with my partner Tony Roy, we help players live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. The third shot drop is one of the most difficult shots in pickleball to hit. But believe it or not, as the return team, there are things that you can do to make it more difficult for your opponents to hit the third shot drop successfully. And that's what we're going to explore today. Would you like to learn more partner strategies so you're the partner that everyone wants to play with? Or would you like to reduce your unforced errors? Then we've got a course just for you. Click the show notes down below or the link up above. We'll see you in class. Just so we're on the same page, the shots that we're talking about here would be the return of serve, which is the second shot of the game. Of course, that comes after the serve. And then the third shot would be the next shot hit by the serve team. Where the return team places their return of serve impacts the difficulty that the serve team has with the third shot. So as we go through this today, what I want you to think about is, where would you rather hit your third shot from? I want you to put yourself in your opponent's shoes for just a moment. So Kylene and Ebenezer are going to help me here, and we're going to show you some of those shots. So what you're seeing on the court is my return of serve target. I am on the side that the camera is on. That is my target. It's about 4 feet from the baseline, right in the center. That's an excellent target to make the next shot more difficult on your opponent. So I'm going to hit this first return towards Kylene, and what you're going to notice is if I hit that target, she's in an uncomfortable position to hit the shot because she's so far behind the baseline. There we go. You notice how she is jammed up. She's having to move backwards. So now what I'm going to have Kylene do, Kylene, go ahead. I want you to take a step backwards. Okay. I want her to give herself a little bit of space, but now she's 3 feet behind the baseline. I'm going to try and hit that same serve target, right? The return of serve target. Great third shot drop, but that's a difficult place for her to hit the shot from. Even if she hits a very successful shot, what you're going to notice is she's starting 3 feet behind the baseline, and now she's going to have to hit that shot and try to make it up as far as she can to the non-volley zone. All right, Ebenezer, it's your turn. I'm going to give Ebenezer a little bit of an easier shot. What I'm going to do, again, we're looking at our dot. I'm going to hit that ball short of the return of serve target, and it's going to be an easier shot for Ebenezer because he is moving into the court. His momentum's going forward. So here we go. He comes up, and he's got an easier shot, and then look at how far up in the court he is. Let's do that again. He's behind the baseline to start, but the return is short, and now he's able to hit that shot and move further into the court. So the question that I want you to ask yourself is, would you rather be Kylene, who has to hit a third shot drop from deep in the court, or would you rather be Ebenezer, who gets to move into the court to hit the third shot drop? I'm going to guess that most of you answered you'd rather be Ebenezer. Ebenezer not only gets to come into the court, he has a shorter distance to hit his drop, but he also gets to get closer to the non-volley zone line. When Kylene is back either at or behind the baseline, it's a much more difficult shot to hit, and she is further away from the non-volley zone line. So when it comes to the return of serve, you want to return that serve deep into the court. Again, about 4 feet from the baseline. Right on the center line is a fantastic place to return that shot. Remember, if you want to make your opponent's life more difficult, give them the shots that you don't like. If you'd like more partner strategies, make sure you click on this link right over here, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.